she's a character.
Guys, we have Reina with us today.
What's her accent?
She's Mexican.
Ole!
Harmonita वाला line क्या है? For you, Harmonita.
Hermanita.
For you, Harmonita.
For you, Hermanita.
Guys, what a crazy set. Look at this. We're going to be inside the game.
Take two.
Stop it! You laugh. Oh, Kaniz.
Pick her name.
We're friends. Remember?
PUBG में friendship नहीं होते.
It's too good. It's perfect. What? It's the best shot you ever seen? That's crazy. Thanks, dude.
Literally, I don't think anyone said anything.
What? He's a bitch. Hey, don't be rude, dude.
Mommy, when did you come?
Shantanu, you know, between takes, you can come closer to us. You know, did you know that? Every shot you get wrong, I take off 1% from the commission. Again, why you've gone far?
Come closer. Closer.
That was nice when you were using the gun to, say कि तो दोस्त नहीं है. If you're friends, वो अच्छा था.
सुना गया.
और drone by the way, guys, इतना भी जाओगे चलेगा.
I'm just a bit of a method performer. Sorry, my labels come off.
Look at this supposed method actor, huh? Just classic method actors delaying shoot.
I was getting into character.
Okay, good.
Take six.
Shoot, I was holding it like this. I'm so gonna get trolled.
It's a magazine, that's where all the ammo is.
It's ridiculous. Guys, I was holding my gun like this the whole shoot.
Stand by checking the gun.
This is Kaniz shooting a gun.
Tell you.
This is the ammo, like you
Right.
take this out and you put back in. This is where you hold. Main thing is, this is how you kill yourself.
Okay, nice.
Guys, yeah, no one told me I couldn't be holding my gun like
This
this.
is Kaniz doing the promo for PUBG New State. Hey guys, PUBG New State coming out. Great guns, good game. See you there. There should be one Kaniz character in the game who holds gun wrong, runs funnily, hides in front of objects. For some reason she runs like this, attracting maximum attention.
You need one friend in a game who does that so the others are saved.
The grass is green, but she's wearing a yellow ghillie suit. Yellow and green ghillie suit in the night. Can you please tell Mortal how you were holding the gun?
Not the whole shoot.
She holds the gun like this, dude.
But just FYI, we didn't see it in any shot, so.
Really? But I wasn't in the shot?
And see that posture.
Hands up. Otherwise I'll shoot.
Are you ready? It's gonna keep rolling.
या
Good.
कुछ तो मिल जाएगा ढंग का इसमें से
हाँ पर मॉडल पे है, मॉडल फेमस
सिनेमैटिक्स लेना सिनेमैटिक्स
Did you like the shots I clicked? Did you like the shots I shot? Do you want some?
Yes, please. Got him.
How was my take?
How was your dick?
How was my take? Oh my god. Mortal कैसे लग रहा है? Good. Good take?
बढ़िया देखो ना यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं
Wow. Are you nervous about acting?
मी
No?
Do you know some basic acting?
He pretends to like you. I think that's
You
good
didn't
acting.
pretend. Let's say like sleeping in your bed. Okay, you sleep in your bed and someone comes in. What will your face look like?
लेट मी इमेजिन
What if it's like your mom or someone? Why are you scared?
He scares me a lot.
Mortal acting test number 2.
Yeah. So now you're okay. Walking in the street and you see a dead rat and it had a whole family. The little rat died.
Got it? Ready?
हाँ
Oh my god! It's a dead
Oh
rat's
my
family.
god! Oh my god!
रैटटूली थोड़ी ना है
Last test model.
A company offered you $50 million to stream one hour stream of you playing PUBG.
ये एक्टिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
होता रहता है.
हम लोग खली के साथ क्यों नहीं शूट करा है?
यार आप लोग बिजी थे आई हर्ड.
Nothing, doing nothing.
Literally no one was busy. We could have shot with Khali. Cost me like 2 million views.
I'll get back to you on this.
They should because everyone wants to go home for dinner. I want to go home for dinner.
Wait, you guys aren't going home till 12, right? Because they have to shoot the whole sequence.
No, we'll shoot finish by 9.
That's
We
the
all
thing,
want to go home for dinner.
12, 1 and 2.
Shantanu was supposed to shoot my vlog.
But he's also my manager, by the way. It's like, Shantanu, what do you do for a living? And he's like, I manage you. And I was like, really? Oh, hey.
Schedule me.
Why am I shooting my vlog? Why aren't you shooting it?
I have other work also.
You have other work also.
As surprising as it may be.
Alright. Say bye to Shantanu, guys. Because he'll be busy with other work.
Oh, no.
Rolling.
Still rolling.
Oh, no.
I didn't do anything.
You just say Kaneez.
Oh, I'm supposed to say Kaneez. Okay. You're going?
Yeah, bye.
Are they firing bad actors? Like in the middle of shoot? But you are going, right?
Yeah, not because I'm fine, because I finished my work because I'm a professional actor who does everything in one take.
So they wanted to quickly finish seeing you acting.
Don't you like my look, by the way? It looks like I have a filter on my face.
She looks like Reina in Valorant. Do you know? You don't know Valorant? You manage a gamer. You have any shame?
Oh, you manage it water? Oh, you. Sorry.
Ah, Shantanu. How much commission does OML take?
10%.
10%?
Yeah. 5%.
That's more like it. Wow, this looks so good. He's just amazing actor. He's so good, right? Yep.
Yeah.
He's actor?
Damn good, man.
Damn good, right?
Amazing.
What is your GPA? I'll send you money later.
ड्रोन आ गया है. तुम ड्रोन लाओ.
Still rolling.
तुम ड्रोन लाओ.
Cut.
ड्रोन का सामान छोड़ दो वहाँ पे. ड्रोन लेके आओ. मैं जब राइड किया, तो वो राइड क्यों पैन नहीं किया तू? मेरा ब्लॉग है, मॉडल का ब्लॉग है. डिस्ट्रैक्ट होने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Come on.
मैं जब राइड जाता हूँ, पैन करो राइड पे, ठीक है? पैन करा इससे.
You're looking at it. Like very nice. That's
Wake up. Wake up. Don't touch up, please.
Yash.
ड्रोन आ गया है. तुम ड्रोन से सामान लेके आओ. मैं इन्हें संभालता हूँ.
शूट नहीं कर देना तूने? बंद कर दिया था तूने शूट?
You should use the first clip if you want more views because it's focusing on him.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ
ड्रोन आ गया है. तुम ड्रोन से सामान लेके आओ.
मॉडल कहाँ गया मॉडल? ऐसे ट्यूल के असली कॉम से बेटर है हमारा कॉम. All of this is just me auditioning for Naman.
और नमन.
For real life में मेरे कॉम्स इतने बढ़िया हैं. सपोर्ट प्लेयर है ना मैं.
यही दिखाऊंगा. ऐसे करते कम्युनिकेशन.
सुन रहा है? देखा?
देखो भाई वाइपर 3 साल से कॉम्स नहीं सुधरे.
हाँ. The golden words, guys. Paco! Are you excited to finish the shoot and then take a cab for 3 hours?
Hey, no jokes on Navi Mumbai. No jokes on Navi Mumbai.
You live in Mumbai? Yep. Oh man. You guys can share a flight.
फीकी फीकी जिंदगानी भरे थे तू फागल लगे रंग सारे प्राण मेरे अंधियारी कारी रातें कर दे तू भूलन लगी उजियारी जान मेरे